Hello, in this class we're going to be reading. So before we start reading, we need to make sure that we know all the letter sounds. So let's do a quick 1-minute phonics drill. What does A say? A, 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 B. B, B, B. C. K, K, K. D. D, D, D. E. E, 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 F. G. G, G, G. H. I. E, E, E. J. J, J, J. K. It's here on the wall. K, K, K. L. L, L, L. M. N. N, N, N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. T, 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 T. U. V. W. X. X, 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 X. Y. And Z. Very good. If you didn't know some of those letters, go back and make sure you know all your letter sounds. Now we're going to start blending some of those letter sounds together. So there are 5 special letters we call the vowels. Will you help me sing the vowel song? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. The vowels are special because every word in the English language must have a vowel. So we're going to work with our vowels for just a moment. We're going to put a letter B in the front, and we're going to talk about blending. Now, I brought my little blender today. Sometimes I make a smoothie and I put in strawberries, blueberries, and bananas, maybe some yogurt and juice, and then I blend those things together. I can't take the strawberries back out or the bananas or yogurt. It's all mixed. And so that's what we're doing with our letters. We want to get those sounds to blend or mix together. So I know B says B and A says A, but I'm not going to keep those separate. B, A. I'm going to blend them. B, A becomes ba, ba, ba. B, E. You help me. Ba, ba. B, E, B. Good. B, B, A, ba, ba. B, ba, ba. Now I have some blending cards that will help you to practice this. So you can see here's that letter B with all those vowels. Ba, be, bi, ba, ba. You can practice using these blending cards and all the letters of the alphabet. Let's try letter S. S, A, job. Let me hear you. S, I, s, s, ah, saw, so. You get a sticker. That was awesome. Now, keep going, keep blending. Use those flashcards to help you until you feel pretty confident about your blending skills, and then you're ready to add another letter. So take a look at this. We said this was ba, and now let's add a letter T at the end. Bat, bat, bat. Bat. We just read a real word. You're reading. All right, let's add another letter at the end of this blend. Let's add a D. Bed. Bed. What is this word? Bed. Bed. Good. Very good. All right, let's put a G at the end. And let's blend and read this word. Big. 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 What's this word? Big. Big. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's put a T at the end. B. Ah. Ba. T. Bot. What's this word? Bot. Bot, like a robot. Last one. Let's put an S at the end. B. S. Bus. 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 Now, reading is kind of like a race. Let me show you. All right, so here we have Reading Road. You might have a little toy Hot Wheels car that you could use for this activity, or you can cut out one of the cars at the top, whichever one you like the best. You can cut this bottom part with the road and slip it into a sheet protector. If you want to, you can use a dry erase marker and write the word, put your car at the starting line. Let's try this first word. We're going to move the car along as we sound out each letter. B, a, t. We finished. Now let's go back and we're going to get faster. We're going to win this race. All the way back to the starting line. Get ready, get set. B, a, t. Again. Bat. Bat. We won, and we were fast that time. All right, let's try another one. Put the car all the way back at the starting line, and this time we're going to write G-E-T with our dry erase marker. Get ready, get set, go. G, et. All right, let's go back. Let's get faster and faster and win this race. Start at the starting line. G, et. Woo! We did it. Let's go back. We're getting even faster. Get ready, get set, go. Get. Once more. Get. Get. We won. Finished the race. We were so fast. Let's do another one. Put your car back at the starting line. This time we're going to write T-I-P. Get ready. Start your engines. Get set. Go. T-I-P. Move the car along as you sound out each letter. All right, now let's go back. We're going to get faster. Tip. Woo, that was good. But I think we can do it even faster and win this race. Tip. Tip. You did it. So you can see how reading road and just a simple toy car can help you with your reading. Remember, you always go back and start at the starting line, especially if you're not sure and you're thinking this word doesn't make sense. Go all the way back and try it again, and then it will make more sense as you practice your reading and you get faster and faster. Okay, so next we're going to try to read some words, and we're going to see a car on this next activity too. Look at this cool car. Now, take a look at the word that's here in the circle. We're going to try to read this word and figure out which picture matches the word. Start at the starting line, remember. Eh. Eh. Fin. 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 Which picture shows a fin? It's this one. Very good. That's a fish's fin. Next, let's try to read this word. J. Ah. You try. Ja. Jam. Faster. Jam. Jam. Like strawberry jam in this picture. All right, next. Ka. 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 What's this word? Cup. Very good. Cup. Now, I'm going to let you try a few. See if you can read these words and point to the correct picture. Next, your turn. Read and match. Good job. One more. Good work. That was some great practice all on your own. Well, now I want to very quickly work on 3 sight words and some simple sentences. Okay, so I have just 3 sight word flashcards, and you can make some for yourself if you'd like. What letter is this? It's letter I. But when I is all by itself and nothing's around, it becomes a word when we use it in a sentence. For example, I like ice cream. Now you try. Say, I like. You just use this word in a sentence. I. Now, what letter is this? It's letter A, but when A is all by itself with nothing beside it in a sentence, it's a word. We usually pronounce this word, Can you say, I want a new toy. You try. I want a. Very good. There's one more sight word I want to teach you. It's T-H-E. When we see T-H-E, we usually pronounce it like this. The. Can you try? The. I see the moon. The. Try it again. The. All right, let's do this again, and I'm going to hold up a flashcard, and I want you to say the word. What is this word? I. What is this word? It's A, but remember, often in a sentence we say And what is this? The. Now I'm going to mix these up. I'm going to see if you can tell me what these are. All right, what is this word? What is this word? the, and what is this word? I. Oh, good. You are ready to read. All right, so we're going to read some simple sentences, and you're going to see those sight words that we just practiced. There's a, I, and the. All right, let's start at the very top. IT. 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 Is. 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 It is sight word Now, help me read this word. You can do it. Blend first and then add that third sound. Ah. Ah. T. Go back to the starting line. Hot. 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 It is a hot. Next word. P. Ah. Pot. 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 It is a hot pot. Do you see a picture that shows a hot pot? There it is. We'll draw a line. Let's do the next one. Sight word. I. K. A. Ca. Can. Can. I can. Mop. 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 I can mop. Do you see a picture of a mop? There it is. Good job. All right, next, sight word, the. Now, you sound this out and read it. Nut. Go back to the starting line. Nut. Nut. The nut. Is. Is. B. Big. 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 The nut is big. There's a big peanut. Very, very good. Now, let's practice reading for speed. Before we begin, let's take a look at the sight words here. So I can see a and I and the. We're going to go back and read these sentences 3 times. We're reading to get faster. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. It is a hot pot. That's one time. It is a hot pot. Now go all the way back and read it again. It is a hot pot. That was the second time, and you can tell we're getting faster. Let's read it one more time. It is a hot pot. Reread that sentence 3 times, and you could hear that we got faster and faster. So now that you know how to read, it's all about practice. So I want you to read the next 2 sentences 3 times each. You'll get faster and faster. Well, thank you for watching this Learn How to Read in One Lesson video. Happy reading, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the next step after you can read well CVC words will be to learn all the special sounds, and I'll leave some information about that video down below. Thank you. I'll see you next time.